Welcome to this video. I am super fired up and excited that you decided to take a look at this video. And most importantly, I want to thank my business partner for sharing with you a testimony, for sharing this video with you. And I want to celebrate you for taking your weight loss goals serious. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Candace Bird Davis, National Health and Wellness Consultant with an amazing company called Total Life Changes. And today I'm going to share with you one of our innovative, one of our revolutionary kits called the Diet Duo Kit. I don't know if you stumbled upon this video because you're looking to lose 2 to 3 pounds a day, but I'm going to share with you how this power-packed kit is going to make it possible for you in an all-natural, organic, and homeopathic way. So you're probably watching this video because you want to lose 20, 30, 50, even 100 pounds or more. Trust me, I know exactly what it's like to be in that position. I know exactly what it's like to want to lose weight, try all the different methods out there and not have success. How do I know? Because I was that same person who only 3.5 years ago stood on a 5'3" frame weighing 257 pounds. I was the same wife and mother of 2 who couldn't even chase her children through the yard, would run out of breath carrying a load of laundry up the steps, and couldn't even bend down to tie her shoelaces. I suffered from high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, and severe obstructive sleep apnea. But I didn't know that some of these amazing products were going to literally change my life. Matter of fact, the products that I'm going to share with you today, this Diet Duo Kit, were essential in helping me lose a total of 107 pounds in 7 short months. So I'm not sure if you're trying to get fine for summertime or maybe you're trying to drop it all for the fall, but I promise you this innovative kit is going to help you attack all of your weight loss goals. I'm excited and passionate about this because it didn't just help me attain my goal, but it also helped my good friend Jody lose over 100 pounds in 6 short months. I could tell you her story, but better yet, she can tell it better.
Before TLC, my life was a mess. I was diagnosed with fibromyalgia in my late 20s, and with the weight gain that I had, I hurt every day. I was in extreme pain. It was real difficult for me to make it from my bed to the living room in the morning. At the moment that I found TLC, I was 282 pounds. I was extremely depressed. I didn't feel like I had a life. I didn't want to go outside of my house really because I was afraid that someone that maybe I went to school with would see me and think, wow, she's really gained a lot of weight. My husband was about to be deployed for a year and he needed to lose a couple of pounds. And I knew that if I didn't do what I was supposed to do, he wouldn't either. And I felt like if he went over there a little overweight and suffered, it would be my fault. So I was like, well, I can do anything for a month, and then when he's gone, I'll just quit. And in the first 2 days, I was down 10 pounds. I actually stepped on the scale 5 times that morning. And I emailed Stacey, I was like, either my scales broke or I've hit the Holy Grail because this has never happened to me before. So I did continue on, and I averaged between 15 and 20 pounds a month. And when my husband came home on the 6-month mark, he didn't even recognize me at the airport. I honestly feel like a different person now. You can't keep me at home. We're always going somewhere. I'm just happier. I feel better in my being. I'm currently down 120 pounds. I'm a better mother and a better wife. It just gave me my life back. My name is Jody Tyson, and I have made a total life change.
Wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so you're super excited just like me. You're like, okay, Candace, what is this Diet Duo Kit? How can I lose weight? Your business partner shared it with me, and I want to know more. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, get prepared as I share with you how you're going to lose 2 to 3 pounds a day on this kit. Now, it is homeopathic, so it is a natural product. Our kits are backed with a 100% money back guarantee. So we are confident that our product is going to work for you. We're confident that you're going to lose weight. So let me share with you exactly what this kit consists of. The first product in this kit is a product that we call Resolution 20. You're going to commonly hear me refer to it as gastric bypass in a bottle. I don't know if you're much like some of the people out there who are looking for the gastric surgeries, the vertical sleeve gastrectomies, the lap bands, the surgeries that cost $20, $30, even $40,000. The surgeries that cause people to truly die to be thin. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, you can get these results but not have to get the surgery, not have to go to the consultations, and not have to worry if your life is going to be in danger just to be thin. You see, the Resolution 20 is literally the gastric bypass in a bottle. What this is you're going to take 1 dropper full, put 10 drops underneath your tongue, hold it for 15 seconds, swallow it. You're not going to eat or drink anything for 30 minutes after you do this. You're going to do it for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. Well, when you do this, what does it do? It cuts off your appetite. It kills your cravings for sugars, carbs, and even salty foods. It actually turns on and triggers the brain to shut off and tell yourself that you are no longer hungry. So Candace, it sounds amazing. You say the product works, but what is exactly in this product? I remember when I was researching this product, and that was what I wanted to know. What is in this product? How is it going to help me? Well, you see, I get excited because this product is not just going to help you lose weight. You're going to be able to lose weight and you're going to gain health because of what's in it. So I'm going to cover with you a couple of the products that are in it. The first thing that is in this is ammonium bromatum, which is a homeopathic substance that's going to progress your body in the weight loss process. The second thing that is in it is Avena sativa. Now, Avena sativa is crucial in your weight loss process. It's all natural. What it's going to do is increase your energy, detox your body, and improve your nutrition. That is key because anytime that we are in the process of losing weight, when we start to cut back on our calories, we end up losing energy. So this is going to boost our energy. It's going to boost our nutrition, and it's actually going to help detox our body. So when it detoxes our body, it's going to flush the parasites and the toxins that are causing you to hold on to that unwanted weight and fat. The next thing in it is Calcareta carbonica. Now, Calcareta carbonica is perfect for an appetite suppressant. It's going to control your appetite. So when I tell you it cuts off your desire for food, you literally are going to have to set a reminder in your phone just so that you can be able to eat. It's going to reduce your food cravings. You're no longer going to crave starches. You're no longer going to want the sugars and the salty foods. It shuts off the trigger in your brain to no longer want you to desire those foods. What Calcareta carbonica is also going to do is it is going to calm your nerves. Now, let's be honest. We go into anxiety and we start to stress out when we know we're on a diet because in most cases we used to fail in the past. But it's going to control our nerves and control our anxiety so that we'll be able to lose weight without having emotional eating. It has fucus vesiculosis in it. That's going to help us with any digestive problems. And the key thing with that is it's going to balance our thyroid hormone. As you know, the thyroid in our body in most cases is what causes us to gain an excessive amount of weight. It's going to balance your hormone. It has graphites in it, which controls your hunger, and it boosts your metabolism. When you have an increased metabolism, your body starts to burn fat at a super fast rate. So you're going to burn your fat fast. It also has Ignatia amara in it, which also controls emotional eating. Lycopodium calvatum. This is going to help reduce your cravings for sweets, salty foods, and it's going to boost your metabolism as well. It has sulfuricum acidium. This is going to signal the body when the stomach is full. Remember, I told you, you're going to have to set a reminder in your cell phone just to go off, just to remind you that, hey, it's time to eat. Because the sulfuricum acidium is going to shut off your desires for food. It's going to relieve your cravings for sugars, and it's going to also aid in depression. The final thing in this is thyroidium. Now, what this is going to do is regulate your metabolism, kill your sugar cravings, and it's also going to strengthen your muscle. So now, remember, I said this is a diet duo kit. So anything better than one is great. So we have two. We have the second product in this kit called Life Drops. And let me just tell you, when we call these Life Drops, it gives you your entire life back. The Life Drops is a drop formula. Again, you're going to put 1 dropper full underneath your tongue, hold it for 15 seconds, swallow it. You're actually going to take this with the resolution. So you're going to take these together with each meal. Now, let me tell you how powerful the Life Drops are. If you are much like myself, where I used to go to what we called the fat doctor, he would give us phenphetramine, Adipex, and then you'd get a B6 and B12 injection. Well, this particular product here is your B vitamin injection. But instead of just B6 and B12, you are going to get 6 out of the 8 crucial B vitamins to keep your body healthy. So, B vitamins are essential in keeping your body running like a well-oiled machine. As you know, anytime that you diet, you start to get tired, you start to get lethargic. This is going to keep your body moving at optimal levels. It's going to allow you to put these vitamins back in your system. So let me share with you how these vitamins are going to give you the ability to turn your fat into fuel. So again, 6 of the 8 B vitamins. The first one that it has in it is B1. B1 is thiamine. Now, I'm sitting here looking off of some of the notes because I want to make sure I'm giving you all of the crucial information that you need to make a decision. But your thiamine is going to help with any digestive problems. It's fighting the triggers in your brain of eating poorly. What it's also going to do is it's going to increase your energy but decrease your fat. So how many of you all just want to have excessive energy, but you want to make sure that with that energy, you're burning your fat too? The B1 is going to do it. It also has B3 in it. B3 is known as niacin. Niacin is crucial in the weight loss journey. It's your weight loss agent. Niacin is going to give you the energy to burn unnecessary fat and unnecessary calories. So again, niacin is going to give you energy, burn your fat. It also reduces the amount of bad cholesterol that your body starts to consume and hold on to, which forms into unwanted fat. So it's going to reduce your cholesterol levels. It has B5 in it. B5 is critical because it's going to break down the fat. Hear the key word. We all want to lose weight. Weight consists of fat. These B vitamins are going to break down your fat, and it's going to burn your carbs and turn it into energy. It's also an anti-stress. Again, when we're on a diet, we stress out. So it's going to help with our anti-stress levels, and it reduces the signs of aging. How many times have you sat there and thought, yes, I want to lose a lot of weight, but why is it that when people lose weight, they start to look older? Well, not with the Life Drops, because the B5 is going to combat aging whenever it comes to weight loss. It's also going to help with your adrenal fatigue. So it's going to treat body aches. It's going to treat nervousness, sleep disorders, and digestive problems. The next B vitamin that it has in it is an amazing vitamin called B6. We all know how powerful B6 is. B6 is critical in the production of serotonin. Serotonin is the trigger in our brain that shuts off then, letting us know that we are not hungry, we do not have cravings, we do not want salty foods, we do not even want carbs. It's going to reduce your risk of heart attacks. So remember, I said not only are you going to lose weight, but you're going to gain health. So Life Drops is going to reduce your risk of heart attacks. It's going to burn your fat. It's going to reduce the need for more calories to be ingested while burning the fat that you already have stored, which says you don't have to take in the calories, but it's going to burn the calories that you already have. So it's going to get rid of that unwanted fat that's already on your body. What it also does is it increases the thyroid hormone functions and increases your metabolism. So again, the thyroid is why most of us are holding on to our weight. So it's going to balance your thyroid, speed up your metabolism, burn your fat fast, kill all of your cravings, improve your heart health. It also has biotin in it, which is known as B7. Biotin is amazing because biotin is for your skin, it's for your nails, it's for your teeth, but it is also for your hair. How many times have you seen people lose weight, and because they weren't putting the proper amounts of biotin in their body, they noticed that their hair would get thin or their hair would start to fall out? That's not going to happen with our Life Drops because it's going to put the proper amount of biotin in your body to secure the fact that you're going to have long, strong hair with a skinny and fine body. The last B vitamin that it has in it is B12. B12 is crucial whenever it comes to your weight loss journey, just like we talked about how the weight loss doctors would give you the injections of B6 and B12. Well, let me tell you what the B12 is going to do for you. B12 is going to stimulate your thyroid to make sure that it's working so that you can make sure that you're burning fat. It's going to help with hormonal imbalance. let's be honest. It seems like when we hit the ages of about 30, our hormones get all out of whack, and guess what? The scale goes up. Our hormones go down, but the scale goes up. So it's going to help with hormonal imbalance so that you don't have the gains of weight from hormonal changes. What it's also going to do is help with anti-stress, and it's going to regulate your energy, which is super amazing. Now, another product that is in here is green tea. I don't have to say much about green tea because you see it all over Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, how green tea actually shifts the fat fighting components into high gear. So it's going to aid in fat fighting components. The final thing that it has in it is pomegranate extract. This is going to stimulate fat reduction, and catch this, stop overeating. So ladies and gentlemen, I am super excited to be able to share with you this phenomenal product called the Diet Duo Kit. You are looking to lose 2 to 3 pounds a day in a natural way, no stimulants. The benefit of losing the weight with homeopathic and natural products is once the weight comes off, it's less likely to come back on. So again, our products do offer a 100% money back guarantee for the first 30 days. We are confident that this product is going to help you, much like it helped a couple of my business partners. You know, it helped one of my good friends, LaDonna Steele Floyd, out of Indiana. This woman was able to drop over 70 pounds in 4 short months. Ladies and gentlemen, we have testimonies all over social media, all over YouTube, about how power-packed this innovative weight loss product is. Now, I hope that you make the decision to go ahead and have a total life change, to start your TLC experience with a Diet Duo Kit. So get back to my business partner who shared this video with you. Let's get your Diet Duo Kit ordered tonight. Let's get you on your weight loss journey, and let's help you lose the weight by your deadline date. Again, this is Candace Bird Davis, National Health and Wellness Consultant with Total Life Changes. I look forward to celebrating your weight loss journey too.